And today, what we're doing is...
We
are
doing a cake test.
Yeah.
So, we've got this thing, to stick in the wrapper.
A cupcake!
It's like an ice cream thing.
Yeah,
And
those
it's
are
the twist and lit candy ice cream. Watch out.
Try out.
We're trying to fix it. It doesn't work.
I think it's all the same. It's kind of candy. So it looks like kind of... No, you can't taste it. No, I can't taste it.
Wait.
Let's try it. How many you voted?
How much do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
So you guys have to use it. Twist it.
Twist the ice
And then
cream.
it starts coming out, like you twist one bit and it's
Look.
coming out, then you go.
Look
And
it
then, look.
goes with the ice cream. Okay, wait. I'm gonna make the ice cream, okay?
I'm gonna play bomb. Blue raspberry. Dry it up! Quick, 3 seconds.
I got my ice cream! It's so rubbish. A little bit. Hey, please you can make me ice cream. Call me.
Wow, your ice cream's ready.
Thank you! You just need to add some something. I think chili.
Eat that, eat that.